Ozempic burps, sulfur burps. What can you do about this if you're taking a GLP-1 medication, guys? Okay, so this is likely due to a slowdown in the movement of your food through your GI tract. This is obviously part of the benefit and appetite suppressive effect, but it can cause this nasty, foul-smelling burp. So if you're dealing with this, try some apple cider vinegar diluted in some water, try some digestive enzymes, and most importantly, try eating your meals spread out throughout the day. No big meals, especially this Memorial Day weekend, guys. We'll see you later.